Hey guys, welcome back to Genwin.Talks. Today I wanted to share with you this product that I got from eBay. So it's the Pop Feel Eyeshadow Palette with 120 colors. So I got this for around $8 with 120 colors. How's that? And maybe you're asking, bakit binili ko tong eyeshadow palette na to? What will I do with this? Bakit ganun kamura? Bakit bumili ako ng Pop Feel? It's not even a very popular brand. That's because I really love watching makeup tutorials on YouTube, and a lot of beauty gurus out there and makeup artists, they are using vibrant colors. Like they are playing with colors literally. They are using violet, green, orange, red. And I don't have that because I always use nude colors and neutral colors. So, and I was thinking like Morphe palettes and other high-end palettes. Tapos pag-practicean ko lang, I don't think it'll make sense kasi I don't think na practical siya. I just wanted to train my skills na affordable yung product na gagamitin ko. Yung hindi ako manghihinayang na mag-makeup lang ako to practice it, tapos bubulhin ko na kaagad. And I don't think that I'll be using red, violet, purple for my eyeshadow every day. So, hindi siya ganun ka-practical na bumili ako ng mamahalin with all those colors. So, I thought of like getting this product. Meron na siyang 120 colors, pero hindi ko siya in-expect na magiging ganito lang siya kaliit. I was thinking na it'll be bigger than this, like the Morphe palette. Sometimes, lagi tayo naluloko, di ba? Ang dami na talaga na biktima na parang iniisip nila ang laki-laki ng mga items na binibili nila online. Tapos pagdating sa kanila, wah, pang Barbie doll lang. So, ayun. Ito yung nakuha ko. So, eyeshadow palette lang naman siya. And hindi naman ganun ka-sensitive yung eyelids ko para dito. So, if it's a foundation or probably pressed powder or translucent powder, siguro hindi ko siya bibilin kasi that could probably clog my pores and cause me to break out even more. Pero, dahil eyeshadow lang naman siya, kinuha pa rin siya. Guys, it's $8. $8 for 120 colors that you can play with. So, practical na rin. Yan. So, I'm not sure if you can see it. Meron pa siyang plastic cover. So, that one, this is the first layer. Now, I got the second one. Oh my gosh, be careful, Genesis. Yan. This is the second one. It includes shimmers and vibrant colors. So, sobrang nakaka-excite siyang iswatch. And this is the third one. Wait. The third one. So, removable siya. Hindi siya yung tipong parang book na piniplit mo na lang. I believe merong isang shade na nasira dito. I know, merong isang shade na nasira. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Kasi nagre-reflect. Ito, nasira. Merong isang shade na nasira. So, this is it, guys. So, separate siya na parang ganito. Na pinagpapatong-patong pag ibabalik mo sa container. Now, let's swatch first the neutral colors. So, bubuksan ko muna siya. Let's see. Yung packaging niya, wala akong masabi, okay naman. Kasi tinanggal ko ni outer cover na plastic, pero meron pa siyang another plastic. So, let's do the swatching. So, tignan natin. Okay, so I'll be getting colors from this one. Okay, first color. Whoa! Another color. Talagang hanggang braso ko nilagay, kaya sobrang dami na isa-swatch. Let's see another one. This guy's pigmented din siya. Wow, hindi ako nalugi. And let's open the next one. This is the real deal. Okay, this is like the next color. Now, tignan natin. Let's try the red. Oh my gosh. And if I swatch it, wait, paano ko siyang hawakan? Nakakatawa yung mga colors. Like, you could really play with it. Oh, that's the green. Look at that. Sobra. Let's try this parang may shimmer na blue. OMG! So, let's try the violet one. Let's see. And parang siyang creamy na hindi talaga siya yung nag-smear. What other colors is in here? At least when it comes to color, meron na akong paglalaruan na hindi ako manghihinayang na pinaglalaruan ko lang sila. Let's try the other one, which is this one. Yung pagtira niya sa likod, para ka lang naglaro. like the shades of it. Okay. Sobra. Tingnan lang din natin. Baka kasi dinaya lang tayo. Let's try this color. Whoa. Ah, okay. So, ito yung mga parang matte color. Tingnan natin to. Whoa! So, ito na sila guys. 120 colors eyeshadow palette. So, kung interesado ka, you can get one for yourself. I'll be posting the link in the description box. Yeah, pwede naman na siyang paglaruan na hindi ka nanghihinayang, right? Pwede na siyang pag-practicean nang wala kang nasasaktan. So, ganito mo siya ilalagay. This is like the container. Tapos, yun, ilalagay mo lang siya sa loob. There's a space in here. May butas siya where you can flip it up kapag kailangan mo. Putting the next one, and then the cover sheet, and then the next one again. Ang maganda pa guys, para siyang travel size na palette lang. Hindi siya ganun kalaki, so pwede mo siyang dalhin kahit saan. Pero I don't think I'll be using it every day kasi meron na akong palette for my everyday makeup use. I actually bought another set of brush as well. Sa Shopee naman siya. Well, this one, binili ko siya because of this fan brush. Ito lang talaga yung gusto ko in this bag container kasi I still have a lot of brushes for my eyeshadow, which is basically this are like 24 brushes. 24, I believe. 2, 4, 6, 8, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24 brushes from pangkilay to your eyeshadow, for eyeliner. This also includes those contouring brushes, powder brushes, and fan brush. Kaya ako ito binili dahil lang sa fan brush niya at saka sa bag na container. Kasi pwede mo siyang i-fold. Like this one, pwede mo siyang i-fold na ganito. Na ganito, and then lock it, and para lang siyang ganyan. Para lang siyang maliit na bag na pwede mo ilagay sa maleta. So, yun yung purpose kaya ako siya kinuha. So, wala akong masabi kasi sobrang fluffy naman niya. Hindi nga lang siya cruelty-free. Sorry na lang sa mga kabayo na tinanggalan niya ng buhok. Sobrang soft niya guys and fluffy. Hope you guys can see it. Itself, I got this for only $8 with bag. Sa totoo lang, nakita ko to sa Facebook. And binibenta siya ng seller for around 800 baht. So, mga nasa $16 yun. Pagkita ko ng Shopee, tas in-offer nila na $8 lang to. Dinrap ko na kaagad kasi pareho lang din naman sila na binibenta. Mas nakamura pa ako. Meron na siyang 24 brushes, meron na siyang fan brush, meron na siyang tag. Sa bag pa lang, sold na yung binayaran ko. So, plus na lang yung mga brushes na hindi ko gagamitin. By the time I reach 1,000 subscribers, sa tingin ko ipapamigay ko yung mga brushes dito na hindi ko naman gagamitin. I also have another set of unicorn brushes na binili ko pero hindi ko ginagamit. And I also have curler na hindi ko ginagamit pero bago siya. So yun, ipapag-giveaway ko na lang kasi of course, you guys have supported me since day one. Nandiyan na kayo sa channel ko and thank you so much for that. So that's it for today and thank you so much for watching. And if you guys wanted to see more of me, so click na lang yung previous video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this a thumbs up if this helps you. And of course, always remember to leave love genuinely. Goodbye!
I like you a lot. I think you're really cool. I like you a lot.